Alright, let's look at the homework 10, problem number 14. Right, so we want to find the Riemann sum S sub 5 for the function f of x is equal to 25 minus 4x squared. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so it looks like an interval is going from -2 to 8, so I'm going to just draw a number line. So -2 to 8, sorry I can't draw straight here, so -2 to 8. Right, so let's find delta x here. So delta x is as usual b minus a over n. Right, and b in this case is 8 minus a in this case is -2, right, and n is the number of interval, in this case S5, so it's 5, so that's 10 divided by 5, so delta x is 2, right. So we're gonna have to put a tip marks every 2 units, so we have -2, so next one would be 0, and next one would be 2, next one would be 4, and the next one would be 6. Alright, then we are looking at, let's see, the sample point C sub k is the average between the two endpoints, which means that it's a midpoint. So we're looking at here, this is C1 would be between -2 and 0, so it's -1, and C2 would be 2, oh sorry, it's I meant 1. And C3 would be, let's see, 1, 2, 3, C3 would be 3, and C4 would be 5, and C5 would be 7, right? So if you want to find S of 5, this is equal to, right, so we have to plug in, the first number is -1 into the given function, and the next number is 1, so plug it in, and next number is 3, and the next number is 5, and the next number is 7, I think it's the last one, then multiply by delta x, which is going to be 2. Right, so I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to use GeoGebra to compute this, so bring out the GeoGebra. Right, first we define f of x, which is 25 minus 4x squared, so hit enter. Right, now GeoGebra knows what the function f of x is, so we find, let's see, we find f of -1, and f of 1, and f of 3, and f of 5, and f of 7, right, then multiply by 2, so I'll just put 2, actually I'm gonna actually put 2 in front, right, so then hit enter, right, so I get let's see, -430, right, so let's see if I'm gonna see if its rounding is okay, so I think this is the exact number, right, so -430, right, so let's go back to the screen. So here we get let's see, -430, right, so let's check answer. Right, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.